Hi guys, welcome back to Cocktail Kitchen. We're making a take on a classic tropical cocktail, the Jungle Bird. For this we need a nice dark and spiced rum. I'm using Kraken. I'm adding 50 ml over ice in my shaker, 15 ml of Campari, and we have freshly pressed pineapple juice, 50 ml, some freshly squeezed lime, 15, and a dash of simple syrup, brown syrup demerara, just 5 ml. We're adding a dash of classic angostura bitters, 2 dashes, and we're ready to shake. A nice and strong shake. Make sure that the pineapple really mixed well with our rum and Campari. We have here our rock glass filled with ice. I'll top it up with a bit more ice. For this drink you could use nice cracked ice. I strain my cocktail in my glass. This is a bittersweet, very fruity, very refreshing drink. It's one of my favorite tropical cocktails to go. We garnish with a nice wheel of pineapple, dry. We add here on top. And for extra freshness, we have some sprigs of mint. Break down the leaves a bit to boost up the flavors. We'll put it here next to the side. And one more dash of angostura to keep the flavors evenly. So there you go guys, a tropical cocktail, a Jungle Bird, which originated not far from home in Kuala Lumpur. It's one of my favorite tropical drinks. Cheers.